Hello everyone! In this video, I will explain how to introduce yourself in Japanese in an easy way. Even beginners can relax and follow along. Let's practice speaking together. First, let's start with a greeting. When you meet someone for the first time in Japanese, this is what you say. はじめまして meaning nice to meet you. Let's say together. はじめましてはじめまして。Now, this is how we introduce our name in Japanese. 私の名前はです。This means my name is. For example, if your name is Alex, you say 私の名前はアレックスです。Now it's your turn, say your name. Next, this is how we say where we are from. ヨマから来ました。This means I am from. If you're from Japan, you say 私は日本から来ました。Remember, Japan in Japanese is pronounced 日本. Now, say your country. Now, this is how we talk about our hobby in Japanese. 趣味はです。This means my hobby is. For example, if your hobby is singing, you say 趣味は歌うことです。Now, say your hobby. Next, this is how to say that you're studying Japanese. 今、日本語を勉強しています。Meaning, I am currently studying Japanese. Let's say together. 今、日本語を勉強しています。今、日本語を勉強しています。Now, let's learn the polite ending. At the end of a self-introduction, we use this polite phrase. よろしくお願いします meaning, nice to meet you, or please be kind to me. Repeat with me. よろしくお願いします。よろしくお願いします。Now, let's put everything together. Listen first, then repeat. はじめまして。私の名前はアレックスです。日本から来ました。趣味は歌うことです。今、日本語を勉強しています。よろしくお願いします。Let's say together. はじめまして。私の名前はアレックスです。日本から来ました。趣味は歌うことです。今、日本語を勉強しています。よろしくお願いします。That's how you introduce yourself in Japanese. Please try introducing yourself in the comments. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.